Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So the Tata Institute of Social Sciences Mumbai, that is TISS, has announced admissions for its PhD program in psychology for the academic session 2024 to 2025. So to fill the form, you'll find the link of this form in the description box, and from there you just have to scroll down till application process here. And from here you will just click on the link, and here we are on the official site of the TISS, and as we are registering for the first time, you just have to click on the new registration. And as you can see that we have to fill our email ID. Here I am filling mine. You just have to fill your own email ID here. From here you just have to select the viable options. Now that we have filled all of our information, we just have to click on the register button, and from here you will get an email on your registered email ID. From there you have to fill all of your credentials, and then you just have to log in through your registered credentials. You just have to put your credentials here. Now that we have filled our credentials, we'll just click on login, and then as we can see that there are instructions written. You can just read carefully all of the instructions, and then from here you just have to click on the basic details. Okay, that is the first step of the form filling process. Here you have to fill your personal details, category, contact details, and here I am filling my details. You just have to fill your own. You just select the prefix, then after that you just have to write your name, then gender. As you can see that I have filled all of the required information, and again you just have to fill your own information. Here I am filling my details, and then you just have to click on save. Just check for all the necessary details that you have filled everything, and then you can just click on next. Here we have to fill our academic details. There's a education details department, then there you have to fill your degree and then your UGC net details. So under education details, you just have to fill your 10th and 12th school diploma, board or state, and then after that you just have to fill your bachelor's degree detail, that here when you have completed, and the name of the university, the pattern, and the discipline that you took your degree in. And here I have written psychology. You can write your own, and then you just have to write your marks, percentage, CGPA, and then you have to fill your master's degree detail. Then from here you just have to click on UGC net details. Here you have to fill the required information, that is PhD eligibility criteria as per UGC result. You just have to select your category. I have selected category 1 here, and then you have to write your UGC net score here. Then click on save and check for all the necessary details that is required. You just have to recheck and then click on next. As you can see that we are on the upload documents page, and here you just have to upload your documents. The required details are written here. So now you just have to upload your documents. Before uploading documents, you just have to read all of the instructions given here, and then you just have to select the attachment type. Here you have to attach your photograph, signature, and your UGC NET scorecard. And as you can see that I have uploaded mine here. And then after uploading your photograph, scorecard and signature, you just have to click on save and then next. Now here we have to fill our program details, the program type, the location, and the program that we are applying in. On the program details, you just have to fill your program type, and here I have selected PhD. Then I have to select the location, and I have selected Mumbai. Then we have to select a program, that is, as we are applying for applied psychology, we will select applied psychology here, and then we have to upload our proposal file. It is a necessity that you have to upload your proposal file here, and then I have uploaded mine, and then you have to click on add program. And then after filling all the necessary details, you have to just click on add program. Just check your details here and then click on confirmation and preview. After filling the details, you just have to preview your form so that you can see if you have done or you have left anything here. You can just recheck, and then you just have to click on final confirmation. So as you can see that we have filled all of our information. You can check or edit or view from here. And we have filled our basic details, academic details, we have uploaded our documents, and we have selected our programs. And then you just have to click on application fees. This is the last process of the registration. You can either pay by challan, cash, or you can pay by UPI. And here you just have to fill all of your necessary details, and then your registration will be done. Thank you.